And I will display both font styles that I used across the screen. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Monique. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make beautiful free labels for your lashes and lip gloss. Now these lash and lip gloss labels are only going to cost you about $20. Yes guys, $20. Now before we get into the video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. The first thing we're going to do is go to a website called Canva, and it's also an app, so you can do this on your mobile device as well. Once on Canva, you're going to create a free account. Click logo as your design choice. Click on add text and be sure to change the font because the font is going to be the most important factor in making your logo. And I will display both font styles that I used across the screen. Here is where I'm adding the second text line because we are making a 2-word logo. Now here is where you'll see me add a little bit of character to the logo. I'm making it where the logo is kind of overlapping each other, and that's going to give the logo a little bit of characteristic. And I also changed the color of unique to give it a bit more of a unique logo. This part here is going to be very important. Please make sure that you click transparent background when you're saving your logo. I'll show why the transparent background is so important when we make the lip gloss logos. Once we're done creating our logo, we're going to go over to Avery.com where we can upload our logo and create our labels for our lashes. We're going to click on custom printing and then we're going to click round labels. Okay, so after we select round labels, we're going to go to sheet labels. Be sure to select sheet labels because rolls are more expensive. Make sure we select round for the shape. The size that we're going to use is 1 inch, matte white paper. And as you can see, 24 labels is $8. And then we're going to upload the logo that we just created. Okay guys, so where you see the box is red on the outside, that means that your writing is outside the border line. So you're just going to want to size it down where it fits inside of that circle. Okay, another important tip here, be sure to hit save. That will save your design. So when you need more labels, you'll just go into your saved projects and click and print. And there you have it. Your lash labels are created. All you have to do is check out and they will mail them. Now we're going to be creating our lip gloss labels. We're going to go back to Avery.com and this time we're going to click on rectangular labels. Make sure that we're still clicking sheet labels, rectangular, and then we're going to select 3/4 inches by 2 1/4 inch. Really important again, we're going to make sure that we select clear film as our material. And as you can see, 60 labels is only $12. For video purposes only, we're going to use that same logo that we created for the lashes. And don't forget to always hit save so that you can save your design. And there you have it, guys. We created our own logos and labels. Don't forget, guys, to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and you all have a great day.